RPF. 2. United National Liberation Front, UNLF, and its armed wing, the Manipur People's Army, MPA. 3. People's Revolutionary Party of Kangli-pak, PRI-pak, and its armed wing, the Red Army. 4. Kangli-pak Communist Party, KCP, and its armed wing, also called the Red Army v. Kongle Yoal Konalep, KYKL. 6. Coordination Committee, SOARCOM, and 7. Alliance for Socialist Unity Kangli-pak, ASUK. 701 cases of sedition and offenses against the state were registered from 2018 to 2022, and 5,023 cases were lodged under the Anti-Terror Law, Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, Rai said in the Lok Sabha. Rai, however, said the number of cases registered under the sedition and offenses against the state came down from 149 in 2021 to 68 in 2022. Similarly, in cases registered under the UAPA, the number has gone up from 814 in 2021 to 1,005 in 2022.